Stir fries are a fantastic midweek dinner because they are that quick to put together. So I'm going to show you a kangaroo and broccoli, a Chinese broccoli stir fry. Now for the kangaroo, I'm using some fillets. It's a fantastic source of protein, a great alternative to other red meats too. First, we need to velvet the kangaroo. Look how lean these fillets are. I'm just going to thinly slice it. There's no fat whatsoever on it. And velveting is a Chinese technique that is always used when meat is used in a stir fry. So we're going to be adding some bicarb to it, and it's going to tenderise the meat even more. I'll place the kangaroo into a bowl. There are two ways to velvet. You could use cornflour or bicarb. And when you're using bicarb, you just want the tiniest amount in the meat. So just a small amount. To that, we're going to add some soy, a good splash of soy, and some Sichuan pepper, but you could use black pepper if you like. Give that a little mix, and we'll pop that to one side. While that is marinating, let's get onto a very quick sauce. So we'll also use some soy for the sauce, about a tablespoon. Oyster sauce. For some sweetness, some honey. Just so everything glistens as it comes out of the pan and thicken up that sauce. In this bowl, I have some corn flour. I'll add a splash of water and we'll just give that a stir so everything is ready. When it comes to stir fry, you want to prepare everything, chop everything before you start frying because it's always quite fast. So over to the wok, I've got this on a high heat. We'll add a splash of oil, some vegetable or some peanut oil. We're going in with our kangaroo pieces. You want to give it just a few moments just to caramelise on the exterior, and then we can take it out of the pan. You never want to overcook kangaroo. It tastes best when it's pink in the centre. All right, good colour on that, out of the pan. Some more oil, and then in with some onions. Lots of onions for this. Toss them around. Just want to get some colour first. That's looking good. In with the Chinese broccoli, stalks and all. Again, just like the onions, I want some crunch on it, so we're just going to wilt it slightly. I'll return the kangaroo fillet. In with some noodles. I've got some Hokkien noodles, big handful of them. Now time for the sauce. We'll pour that over. We'll coat all of the noodles in that delicious sauce just to thicken this slightly and give it a gloss, a small amount of that cornflour slurry. Not too much. One final stir, and the stir fry is ready. Okay, we'll pile this up into a bowl, making sure we get enough noodles and lots of that perfectly cooked kangaroo on top. That is a sensational stir fry made in moments. If you haven't tried kangaroo, well, give it a go. It's a fantastic addition to a stir fry just like this.